Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So today I have another case unboxing, and this time it's going to be for my Samsung Galaxy S20 FE right here. The main reason I bought a case for this device, normally I wasn't planning on buying one, and normally I have cases for my phones. However, for this one, I really enjoyed having that matte finish on the back, and overall it just felt like a really nice phone, and I didn't want to put a case on this right here. So I decided not to for a while, and then I did drop my phone. Nothing too major. However, after I dropped it, I'm like, let me go ahead and just buy a case. I don't think it's going to matter too much. So I went ahead and bought this case, and the main reason was, as I said, I dropped the phone, and I started scratching up the sides a little. I don't know if you can see that, but I did leave a mark right there, and then I did leave a mark on this side as well, and I don't want that to continue happening. So I went ahead and decided to buy a case, and you guys probably already guessed where I would get it from. Spigen. I got the Spigen Rugged Army case. So it's a mix of carbon fiber on the ends and a matte finish in the middle. So it's still probably going to feel very nice overall, and it's not going to add too much bulk since it is one of the slimmer cases that Spigen offers. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Easy to unbox. We have a little pull tab right here. Just pull that out, and we have our case and nothing else. What you'd expect. So the case comes in this little bag. It's like this plastic bag that it's in, and then you just have to plop that out. Boom, that easy. Just move all that to the side, and we have our beautiful Spigen case right here, the Spigen Rugged Armor case. So first impressions, I have owned a Spigen Rugged Armor case before, so can't say too much. They have updated their design a little. This matte finish does feel a little better, and it's not as, I guess, hard on the hand. Before, it used to be the texture was very noticeable, and sometimes it got annoying. This one's a little better, and overall it's a pretty slim case. We have our air cushions right there. As you can see, it's like the special design that Spigen does on their cases, so that when you do drop your phone, it doesn't directly hit the case and then it impacts your phone. There's a little air cushion, and we also have those on the sides. There's like an opening on the sides a little bit. It goes into the case. You can't see it from this side. However, it does go inside a little so that you can have a little air pocket so your phone doesn't get damaged as much. So also we have a little raise right here, if you're able to see that. Yep, it's raised a little for the camera bump. And as you guys might know, phones are starting to get bigger and bigger camera bumps nowadays. This one might not be as big as some other manufacturer phones or other Samsung devices. It's still a pretty big bump. So let's go ahead and put the phone in the case real quick. It's a pretty easy process. You just plop it in. It's definitely in there. We have a raised lip, as you can see. So when you do drop your phone face down, nothing probably isn't going to happen if you drop it on a flat surface. If you have some rocks or whatnot, you're definitely going to see some scratches, maybe even a crack. However, overall, it's pretty nice to have, so you can just secture down wherever you want and you won't have your phone scratched. Also, if you guys don't know, the S20 FE does have Gorilla Glass 3, so it is a little less scratch resistant compared to what we have right now. And that's one of the main benefits of having a raised lip on the sides. And also, we talked about how we had a raised lip right here, which does go above the camera bump, which allows it to protect the camera bump better when you do place it face down like this. And also, the rocking is very minimal. Basically, there isn't any rocking, so which is pretty nice again. So there are many benefits of getting a case like this. Most cases are probably going to be like this. You're going to have these lips, and they're going to have the camera bump area lifted up so that you don't hit your camera, basically put your camera down straight on the table or whatnot. So overall, it's pretty nice design. Also, I noticed something. It's like covering the speaker. I don't know if you can see that. It's not focusing very well. However, the lip does go over the speaker a little bit, just a tad bit. I guess that covers it from like dust and whatnot. It doesn't go on top of it. It just goes over it a little bit, so you still get the sound that you were gonna get normally without blocking anything, which is, again, pretty nice. So the feeling in the hand feels pretty nice. We have, as I said, we have this carbon fiber area right here, and then we have a matte finish and another carbon fiber. I don't think it's not designed, I don't think these are purposely made to have like a better grip or whatnot. I guess it's just a design. However, this case does have a pretty nice grip and it's not going to fall out your hand easily. And then also our buttons, as you can see, we have some pretty nice cutouts right there, and that's mainly to enable it so that you can easily click these buttons without having to push down really hard like some other case brands. So that's about it. If you want to go pick this up, I'll probably leave a link down below so you can check it out. It's probably going to be an Amazon link, and from that you can see the name, or you can just search it up on Google and find it somewhere. I did have a hard time finding it because I'm not sure if it's only me. I haven't been able to find S20 FE cases. I was looking around for a while and most of them were out of stock. So if you had that issue as well, just let me know so I'm not the only one with that issue. So that's about it. Overall first impressions, this case is pretty nice. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.